Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about operations on a two-dimensional array. Like when we discussed about one-dimensional array, so we discussed about all the operations those normally we perform on one-dimensional array. For example, we can perform insertion, deletion, traversal, searching, so many operations on one-dimensional array. Similarly, there are some operations which could be performed on two-dimensional array. So the first operation which can be performed on a two-dimensional array is transpose of a matrix. So what transpose says? For example, we have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 and we want to find transpose of this matrix. Let's say this is A. So mathematically A transpose is when we change rows by column and columns by rows. So transpose of A will be 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8, 9. And this is how we denote mathematically transpose of a matrix. So yes, for a two-dimensional array, we can perform a transpose operation. But for that, what we have to do? For example, we have a matrix A of m into n. When I say we have a matrix A of m into n, it means number of rows are m and number of columns are n. So if we have a matrix of m into n, then to find the transpose, we should declare another matrix B, that is n into m. And then we can like Bij is equal to Aj. The transpose of a matrix m into n, A, is given as an into m. So let's write a program how to find transpose of a matrix. Let's say hash include IOStream using namespace std. And then main, and let's say I declare one matrix A, and let's suppose there is system pause and return 0, everything is here. So let's suppose I declare a matrix A and dimension of this matrix is 2 rows and 3 columns, and I want to find transpose of this matrix A. So let's say, just for the sake of simplicity, I declare all the elements here. Let's say elements are 1, 5, 9 and 12, 4, 6. So this is one matrix and I have to find out transpose of this matrix. So I have to declare another matrix B which has 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, because we change number of rows with number of columns. Now what we will do, we will start a loop for int I is equal to 0 to I less than 3 I plus plus, and for int j is equal to 0 to j less than 2 for matrix B, j plus plus. And what we are going to do, we are going to write B of ij will be equals to A of ji. So this gives us transpose of a matrix. So let's check it on Visual Studio how to work with this program, and then we will move to another operation of a matrix. So let's declare a matrix A, and let's say A is having 3 rows and 2 columns. So we have to find the transpose of A. So because we have to find transpose of A, we will declare another matrix B of the reverse dimension, means 2 columns and 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now let's say what I will do, first input the elements of matrix A. Input elements of matrix A. Okay, end line, and let's do it using for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than 3, because first loop is for rows, I plus plus, and for int j equals to 0 j less than 2 j plus plus, and C in A of I j. Similar, so just to display the matrix, so C out end line, C out array elements are end line, and simply I will copy paste it and convert C into C out. C out A of ij, and just to place a tab just for space, and then next line for next row. C out end line, and I forgot to put this quotes. So this is just to input. Now we have to find out the transpose of matrix A. So let's say C out transpose of matrix A is, and what we will do, because we want to store the transpose of matrix A into matrix B, so we will go for dimension of matrix B. So it means number of rows should be 2 and number of columns should be 3. So I less than 2 I plus plus for int j equals to 0 j less than 3 j plus plus, and what we will do, b of ij should be equals to a of ji. Okay, so this is how we are going to assign the elements of matrix B. And now let's print this just to check that what are the output. So I will simply convert it into, here I will write C out bij, C out B of I j, and just put a tab here and here end line. And let's do some more formatting just for formatting purpose. Control C, and here because we are displaying it, and just I should cut it and I should write it above that. So let's check it. How does this program work? Let's run it. So let's say element of matrix A are 2, 6, 8, 5, 6, 4. So 2, 6, 8, 5, 6, 4. Transpose of matrix is 2, 6, 2, 8, 6, 6, 5, 4. So this is just a transpose. So this is how we are going to write transpose of a matrix. So just for revision, what we did in this program, we declare one matrix A and dimension which is having 3 rows and 2 columns. So 3 rows and 2 columns. Now what we want to do, we want to perform transpose for this matrix A. So we know that transpose to find the transpose of any matrix, we have to replace row by column and columns by row. So that's mean I declare another matrix B in which I am going to store the transpose of matrix A, and I declare this matrix in reverse direction. Then this loop is just to just to initialize matrix A. Initialize A, and this is just to print A, and then we move further for just a minute. Then we move here. Here is the main logic is here where we are going to assign. So what we did, Bij is equal to Aj. Change, replace number of rows and columns, and then we simply print matrix A. So this is how we can calculate transpose of any 2-dimensional matrix. And the second operation is sum. So we are going to check sum in next video. Thank you.